Welcome to Dream Homes Hub. Today, we are taking you on a breathtaking journey through some of the most luxurious and beautiful homes built near rivers and water. Imagine living in a peaceful place surrounded by nature, where every view feels like a dream and every moment brings comfort and relaxation. Let's explore these stunning homes together. Take a look at this incredible riverside home. The design is modern, elegant, and perfectly blends with nature. Large glass windows allow natural light to fill every corner of the house, creating a bright and welcoming atmosphere. The calm river in front adds a peaceful and refreshing feeling, making this home truly special. Living in a place like this gives you both luxury and comfort at the same time. Now, let's step inside this beautiful home. The living room is spacious, stylish, and designed for comfort. Soft sofas, elegant lighting, and modern decoration make it look truly luxurious. Everything is arranged in a clean and organized way, creating a relaxing environment. You can decorate your own living room in a similar style by choosing comfortable furniture, using warm lighting, and keeping the space simple and elegant. Next, we move to the kitchen and dining area. This space is designed with perfection, combining beauty and functionality. The cabinets, lighting, and layout are all modern and practical. The open space makes it perfect for family gatherings and enjoying meals together. If you want to build your dream home, always choose a kitchen that is both stylish and useful. High-quality materials and smart design can completely transform your home. Now let's take a look at the bedroom. This is where comfort meets luxury. The soft bed, clean design, and peaceful view create a perfect place to relax after a long day. The colors are calm and soothing, making the room feel cozy and inviting. You can design your bedroom with simple colors, minimal decoration, and a clean layout to achieve a luxury feeling. These homes also include amazing features like balconies, terraces, and private gardens. Some even have swimming pools facing the river, offering a perfect place to relax and enjoy the view. These features not only increase comfort, but also make your home more attractive and valuable. A well-designed outdoor space can make your home feel like a dream resort. As you can see, creating a luxury home is all about smart design, quality materials, and beautiful decoration. You don't always need a huge budget, just creativity and the right ideas. With proper planning and inspiration, you can build a home that looks stunning and feels comfortable. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Dream Homes Hub for more amazing home designs and ideas. Stay inspired, and we will see you in the next video.